Okay, so last time that'll cut out, I promise. So anyway, like I was saying, our experiences with WebGL, very steep learning curve, as we found when we were doing the assignments 3 and 4 with OpenGL, especially with WebGL being such a new language. It's harder to find examples and things like that. So we really were doing a lot of hacking, which we don't really like to do, but some of it was just necessary in getting the project to work. So Firebug helped quite a bit, as well as just using a JavaScript alert to pop up some values. This helped us debug our code a lot. But a lot of the operations still on the GPU and the shaders, and debugging is nearly impossible in these. You can't really get much information back. So really, we just had to work on small bits of code, just kind of in a stair-step manner. And this really turned out to be the most efficient thing, getting small things to work at one at a time, rather than trying to, code up the entire thing and then debug. That's just a nightmare to try to do that with WebGL. Another issue, we found that though WebGL is supported by Chrome and Firefox, etc., it doesn't necessarily mean that each browser supports all the same WebGL functions. We found, for example, that our project works perfectly in Firefox, but when we tried to do the same thing in Chrome, it wasn't loading the textures for some reason. We weren't getting the same results, so we're still not sure what's wrong with that, but Firefox will render it correctly. So another thing, before this project, neither of us had ever really implemented lighting, so it was good to see how that works and figuring that out. We still didn't figure it out perfectly, but we were pretty pleased with the result regardless. So in conclusion, this is our first experience coding in a programming language that's so close to its inception, and as a result, there was a huge learning process. Like I said, scouring the internet for examples, tutorials, and a lot of them had different implementations of the same functionality. So it was kind of learning what was deprecated, what functions we can use, and just piecing everything together. Even Mozilla had some examples that didn't really work well. But anyway, we're proud of the work we did getting the mini to load. Considering yesterday all we could get to load was the box, and so we worked hard. We got everything done at the last minute, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.